In today's modern industrial revolution, CNC machines play a major role in manufacturing products. Every day-to-day product is manufactured with a touch of CNC machine, ranging from a small pen cap to modern rockets engine. CNC machines have various critical parts, and one such part is the rotating spindle. They are operated at very high speeds and extreme rough conditions. Spindle is the main heart of a CNC machine. Spindles often fail due to enormous reasons. Replacing a spindle each and every time is highly expensive. In order to solve this problem, GK CNC Axis Solutions was started in the year 2014 in Ambattur, Chennai, Tamil Nadu to repair, recondition, rebuild spindles. With 20 years of hands-on experience, the service costs only 10 to 20% compared to new spindle replacement cost. GK stands for Gyrocraft, meaning art of spinning in Greek language. Services offered by GK CNC Axis Solutions are like multi-brand, multi-type spindle service, precision grounded and rolled ball screw services, ATC cam box and magazine shifter reconditioning, rotary table and C-axis service, CNC machine, spindle health checkup program, Renisha ball bar testing for X, Y and Z axis. GK CNC Axis Solutions is an ISO 9001 to 2015 certified company with complete in-house facilities spread over 6,000 square feet. GK CNC can repair, recondition, rebuild any type of spindle in-house. Our technical expert team has vast experience and knowledge in spindle service for more than 20 years. We have serviced more than 1,000 spindles in the past 7 years. In GK CNC, with our experience and knowledge team, anything is possible. We can bring back any spindle back to life which is beyond repairable condition. In GK CNC, we follow a 12-step spindle repair procedure. Whenever we receive a spindle, we have a detailed discussion with our customer and ask for the complete history and failure details so that it is easy to service the spindle accordingly and make any failure prevention modifications. Then, a dedicated engineer is assigned for servicing the spindle. Inward inspection is done and all initial observation and parts availability are noted. Then a detailed inward report is prepared after measuring the physical parameters and geometrical parameters. The inward report is sent to customer for reference. Spindle is dismantled step by step as per standard procedures. Each measurements and dimensions are noted down to re-verify proper reassembly after rework. The removed parts are inspected individually and moved to washing station. Each and every step is done by hands in order to feel and observe the intensity of damages and abnormalities in the spindle. Team brainstorming and technical discussion meeting is conducted by our technical head and discussed about spindle failure reason. Then, work schedule is prepared for each and every activity from washing to assembling back the spindle. Spindle nose grinding is done in our Studer cylindrical grinding machine, achieving and finishing accuracy of less than 1 micron in taper bore. The gauge plane is maintained with respect to the gauge. Rework and new spares manufacturing is completely done in-house in our tool room. The spares produced are manufactured as per original specification in terms of metal used, dimensions and manufacturing procedures designed by machine OEM. After parts rework is completed, all parts are verified for geometrical and dimensional compliance with respect to the drawings. All our lapping process are done manually by hands in order to achieve 0 micron phase out and perpendicularity of bearing between spaces. Our standard spindle assembly room is maintained at 20 degrees Celsius. Each and every measurements are taken very carefully in micron precision to ensure quality and prevent any errors. Finally, all child parts are collected and spindle assembly is initiated. The parameters and measurements are verified once again finally before assembly. Spindle is assembled as per standard procedure step by step. Bearings are heated in bearing heater as per standard mentioned by bearing manufacturer. The heat sleeve is heated in an oven and inserted in shaft in order to lock the bearings. The rotor is also heated and inserted in shaft. All other child parts are fitted and once again ensured in exit quality check. The collet fingers are placed very carefully and locked with the drawbar. Final inspection and parameter measurements are done. In this spindle, the runout achieved is 3 microns at 150 mm length in test manual. Our motto is to provide quality services to customer on time at right prices. Quality is never a compromising statement in our premises. We are proud to say that we don't have any after-service failure record, which means zero customer complaints after service for the past 7 years. We are very much confident that we will sustain this record forever. We are offering 12-month standard warranty for all spindle service. Spindle is packed carefully to ensure no damages during transit. Finally, spindle is delivered to our happy and satisfied customer along with the failure analysis report, test report and detailed service report. Keeping quality in mind, we the team of GK CNC always work hard to give the finest international service quality each and every time for all spindles. Thank you for choosing GK CNC Access Solution for all your spindle needs.